Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about HostNine. HostNine is a web hosting company that provides services to individuals and businesses looking to have their websites accessible on the internet. They offer a range of hosting plans to suit different needs. One of the notable features of HostNine is its reliable and stable server performance. This means that your website is less likely to experience downtime or slow loading times, ensuring a smooth experience for your visitors. Ninehost also offers a user-friendly interface and control panel, making it easy for beginners to manage their websites without much technical knowledge. They provide tools and resources to help you set up your business and email account effortless. In terms of customer support, Host9 has a responsive and knowledgeable team available to assist you with any issues or questions you may have. They offer they offer support through various channels such as live chat, email, and phone, ensuring that you can reach them whenever you need help. So let's begin by creating our account. Sorry. Get started with web.com. Okay. So let's choose our domain. So let's choose Madagascar. So in the beginning of the video, I said that this website is called HostNine. So yes, it is and it isn't. So like we see here, it's www.web.com. It's great that they have the web.com, and I admit it, I'm surprised. So wait, and I will show you how I said it's HostNine. HostNine dot sorry, click on enter, and the website is now web.com. So let's continue, add it to cart, continue. Madara.com is available. So next, domain add-ons. We have Google Workspace emails, you can add them. Having an email address that matches your domain name gives your instant credibility. Website builder package. You can be a starter, a marketing package, or an e-commerce. I prefer the starter for individuals, and for businesses, you know what to choose. Domain expiration protection. Protects your domain registration and the code guard website and the security. Click on continue. So here choose the domain for how many years. Privacy is free. Expiration protects for this website. Even if your membership is off, your website will be protected. Google Workspace Business Starter. You can use monthly or annually, and this will refresh the website. Here we have the website builder. You can pay monthly or for a year. Pro Design support is for free. We have Code Guard Basic for $47. Essential SSL security is free. And those are all the details. So the total will be $79. So you need to create an account. You need your first and last name. Yeah, you need the last name also. Yes, good. Now I need my email, and it's this. And I need to generate password. must have one of those. Let's choose this. And now you fill up with the billing information, the address, city where you live, the country. I'm not in United States. Again, they sent me another where. I am in Morocco for now. So here the stage providence, we have postal code, phone number, credit card number, expiration date, and CVV. Or you can continue checkout with the PayPal account. And here we have the menu. So, however, it's worth noting that some users have reported occasionally slowdowns during peak hours, which may affect the performance of your website hosted on their servers. Overall, Hostnine or web.com is a reputable web hosting provider that offers reliable services, user-friendly features, and excellent customer support. If you are looking for a hosting solution, I think Host9 definitely worth considering as an option. So here we have the website, we have the DAY builder, the overview, the online store, the scheduling, the quick start, design expert. We have also marketing and SEO tools, SEO service, domains, hosting, security, emails, security. We have SSL certificate. It's free to add to your website security, backup, cyber security. Here we have the live chat. So the live chat is an advantage of Host9 and it's available 24/7. So thank you for contacting web.com. Do you require support with existing products or you are looking for a new purchase service? New service, help renew service, support existing services. So here we have one-stop all-done. We have expert services, website builder, online store, and domains, emails, SSL service. Where was the notification coming from? I heard something like 10. So we have expert design service, like I said, it's free. We have in-house professionals engaged in design and copy, online store assistance, SEO optimized, tailored into your unique goals. So you can contact if you have any problem. Here we have customized design. So I heard this 10 again. And I have no notifications. I think it's just the... yes, it's the live chat. Sorry, I didn't receive any input from you. Do you require support or existing? Okay, let's just leave it for now. I think that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like and subscribe.